So for this one, we have section 4, problem 1. It says, consider the following system of equations, and then we are given two equations in our system. Remember, a system of equations is two or more lines. So we could have 3 here, but we just have 2. It says, select the best description for each point. When I look down in my first column, it says the ordered pair 8, negative 8 is a solution to. Remember, a solution to a line is a point that is on the line. A solution to the system, if we were looking at it graphically, would be where those two lines intersect each other. So I have an ordered pair. Ordered pair is telling me it's x, comma, y. So I'm given an x and a y, and I want to check to see if this is a solution to the two lines that I've been given. You might need some scratch paper for this one, so I'm going to pull out a sheet to do some extra calculations on. So I have equation 1 and equation 2, and I'm going to check if this is a solution to equation 1. So I'm going to write down equation 1, and since I have an x and y, I'm going to replace the x and y in this equation with the two numbers that I've been given up here. So I have 5 times 8, because I replaced the x with 8, and then I'm going to replace my y with negative 8. So I want to see if this gives me negative 8 when I solve it out. So 5 times 8 gives me 40. 6 times negative 8 gives me a negative 48. When I add those two together, I get, sorry, my hand's covering. I get negative 8 equals negative 8. Because it works and I get the same number on both sides of my equation, this tells me that this point, 8, negative 8, is a solution to equation 1. Before I go ahead and check that it's a solution to equation 1, I want to check that if it's a solution to equation 2. Because if it's a solution to both, then I'm going to want to choose a system of equations. So let me write down our line for equation 2. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to replace my x with 8 and my y with negative 8 to see if it gives me a true statement. So 2 times 8 gives me 16. 3 times negative 8 gives me a negative 24. 16 minus 24 gives me a negative 8. Negative 8 is not equal to negative 5, so this is not a solution to equation 2. So I can come right up here. I can check that 8, negative 8 is only a solution to equation 1.